Hi, orchid lovers. Welcome back to my orchid garden. I've tried everything to get my orchids to bloom, from fertilizers to all kinds of home remedies, but nothing really worked. Until I tried this, and it changed everything. Let's explore it together. My orchid started wilting and losing its leaves after blooming. Most of the leaves turned yellow and broke off. Do you know why orchids wilt and have broken leaves after blooming? Drop your guess in the comments. Let's see if we think the same. Let's remove all the old moss and potting mix to get rid of any leftover mold or bacteria. Next, let's carefully trim off the rotten roots and any broken leaves. This helps prevent disease from spreading and allows the plant to focus energy on healthy growth. Don't forget to gently rinse the plant with clean water. Also, where are you tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're struggling with anything in your orchid care journey, let me know. Let's learn and grow together. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Do you have rice at home? We will use 3 tablespoons of rice. It may seem simple, but rice actually contains vitamins and minerals that are super beneficial for orchids. Soak it for 30 minutes. Next, we will prepare 1 potato. Sliced it out. They actually contain starch, vitamin B, potassium, and antioxidants that help orchids grow stronger roots and healthier, greener leaves. Pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Soak it for 25 minutes. Next, we're going to use baking soda. One tablespoon of baking soda. We'll dissolve baking soda in 1 liter of water. It helps kill fungi and bacteria, cleans the plant, and balances pH levels, creating the perfect environment for your orchid to thrive. Use cloth to wipe orchids. Why do you think your orchid isn't blooming? Is it lack of sunlight, nutrients, or maybe a mistake in your care routine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll help you figure it out in the next video. Filter the solution through rails. Combine with rice water. Stir the solution. Now, let's soak the orchid and gently wipe it down so it can absorb all the nutrients from the rice water and baking soda solution. Soak it for 20 minutes. Next, we'll use cinnamon powder to sprinkle over the cut areas. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which helps disinfect, dry the wounds, and prevent fungal infections, super helpful after pruning orchid roots or leaves. Use baking soda water to soak the moss. Soak it for 1 day. After soaking the moss for a day, now we're going to gently squeeze out the excess water. After cleaning the roots and prepping the moss, we'll gently place the orchid into the fresh growing medium. Now let's give our orchid a brand new home. Don't forget to give your orchid a good watering. Next, let's use the remaining solution to take care of our other orchids. Don't throw it away. We can reuse it to keep our plants strong and healthy. Remember, we should only water the orchids twice a week with this solution. And each time, just soak the plant for about 20 minutes. Overwatering might cause root rot. The roots are mostly whitish beige along the shaft, with tips turning light to dark green, a very positive sign that the plant is actively absorbing water and nutrients. The green tips indicate new, actively growing roots. There are many new roots emerging and spreading in multiple directions, which shows the plant is recovering well and building a strong foundation. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope today's tips bring your orchids more health and beautiful blooms. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next orchid care secrets. Wishing you a lush and thriving orchid garden. See you in the next video.